We provide pumping solutions for maritime shipping, and we have centrifugal pumps and oil pumps, and we also produce energy saving systems for these kind of solutions. We are a quite old company, 180 years old, so we have been many years in the game. And we have a good population of pumps in Greek vessels too. We produce pumps which have good energy efficiency from the beginning. We have a development program which gives better and better efficiency to our products. But depending on the installations, you can also save much more energy with our pumps, even if they are energy efficient by themselves. But you can install systems. It's frequency converter systems, but they need some kind of control which will regulate the seawater temperature or the freshwater temperature of your water systems on board. And you will be able to save around 80% of the energy consumption, especially if you sail in cold waters. So there's a very good short payback time on that, down to 1 year. And we do new buildings and we do retrofit installations. Of course, when the oil prices have gone down, the business case has become a little bit more tough. But still, there is a good chance of saving a lot of money. And the oil price will come up again, everybody knows that. Yeah. We have a program called Pumps for Free. And that's a financial method when you install energy saving systems for your pumps. Maybe an installation can be 50,000 euros. Then you can get like a loan from us. We will finance the installation. We will do the installation ourselves. And then you will pay back by the savings which you do. So first of all, we will calculate how much you will save of fuel or energy for your pumps. And then we have a payback scheme. According to where you're sailing, depending on the load and the temperature of the water where your vessel is sailing. And then we can calculate maybe a payback time of 1.5 years. And you will then pay in rates after you have, first you save some money, then you pay us a rate, then you save some money and then you pay a new rate. So actually you will get your system more or less free of charge within, let's say, 1.5 years. And after that you will save your own money. And we do that also with Greek owners and other international owners. We have supplied 300 of these energy saving systems, sailing on 300 vessels right now. Not all of them is pumped for free, because we also need to have a cash flow in our company. But many ship owners enjoy this financial proposition we have there.